me and Eli will be trying to see we were trying to go to the end of the ocean in life together, RP.
Yeah.
So let's go. So which car are we gonna take, your car or my car?
Let's take your car.
Alright. Let me just find a car real quick. And our cars are still in the ocean, guys, because we went so far.
And then we fell out of the map.
Bro, get out of the driver's seat. Bro, get out of the driver's seat.
Alright, I'm out of the driver's seat.
Alright, so guys, we're heading towards the beach. Alright guys, so let me just park real quick.
Bro, get on my jet ski.
Oh, alright, fine, I'll get on your jet ski.
Alright, come on, let's go. Let me spawn my jet ski.
Spawn it.
Alright, now open the back.
Alright,
Now reset the speed.
Hey, yo, bro, why am I against you like that?
What?
Look how I'm against you.
Bro, I need to move it. This thing won't move.
Why am I against you like that, bro?
What?
Why am I against you like that?
We need to do it. I need to spawn the jet ski further. We delete it. We need to go further into the ocean first. Alright, now
Okay,
I think I can spawn.
Okay, well, we start to swim.
Bro. Get on.
Look how I'm against you, bro. Bro, you're are you lying? Bro, stop lying. You're literally on me. Stop lying.
Bro, I am not lying. I'm not lying, bro.
Then why are you lagging like that? You guys, you see what's happening?
Oh my.
You made it.
And now we need to get our cars.
And guys, this is only the start.
Yeah, it's only the start.
There's much more to uncover.
Let me just take the speed all the way really quick. Okay, I got the speed all the way.
Are we? Bro, the interior in this car sucks.
Oh my.
You drove into a pyramid. Now you drove into a mountain.
Map. We should look at the map again.
I don't know why they take off our clothes, bro.
Why did it take our clothes off?
So, guys, that was the end of the ocean. We could try to go further, but that's gonna take us too long. So yeah, guys, that's the video. So bye. See ya later. Bye.